Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. We're down to the wire. Is all your Christmas shopping done? Mine is. Just waiting for the day to come so we can celebrate, be thankful together, and have some joy for the day. Okay, so we're at day 22 of the Secret Santa swap, and my Secret Santa has just been so awesome. I have failed numerous times to thank her for everything she's presented to me every day, for the packaging, for the joy she's brought daily in these few minutes, and I just appreciate the time and energy she's put into my gifts. They were so beautiful. I've loved everything. Thank you so much. And so day 22, which this was the mess up one. If you remember, if you didn't see the video, I'll post it here. But day 5, I opened what was day 22. So today I'm actually opening day 5. So day 5, look at how cute this packaging is. And she's got that trim, pom-pom trim at the top. How cute that Sani is. And of course she sewed, which I so love. Okay, let me see if I can get by the number 5. Let's go this way. Yeah. Stay with me. There we go. Okay, see, now I can reuse this on some other packaging. And I can reuse this package. Day 5. Oh, look at this beautiful from Alina Crafts. Alina Cuddle from AliExpress. And it's a box of some sort. I cannot wait to play with this. But it is a 3D box. How fun. Totes, fun. And this is, look at the baby ribbon. Oh, yes. Thank you so much, Secret Santa. So that was day 5 by way of day 22. Or maybe day 22 by way of day 5. In any case, thank you so much, Secret Santa. I appreciate it. Thank you guys for joining me here today. For more videos like these, see here, please consider liking and subscribing or sharing this video. Until my next video, shakas.